Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the trial card hero on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do, you need to log in into your Mobile Legend account, and if you already log in, you can click inventory menu on the right button or on the right button over here. You can click the inventory, and then you can scroll down until you find the skin trial for the hero. For example, I will try the Roger. This is the trial card is for 1 days, okay, for 1 days. And if you want to use the trial card, you can simply click the use button above, over here. If you want to use this trial card only one trial card, you can click OK, or you can choose the number for trial card. Okay, and then if you want to try, you can click OK. So the hero of the Roger you can use in the classic mode. Okay. So here it is. I hope this was helpful for you guys. You can press like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to the channel. You haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.